Hi there, Mark Carlson here. So today's video, how to make sure you're on the right road in life. Well look, the first thing to recognize, and it's very important, and you can use this principle in life in general, is that where you are is supposed to be where you are, because there you are, right? So the road that you're on right now is the right road, because you're on it. To say that you should be on another road when you're on this road is futile, and all it does is cause massive confusion inside of you. So you're definitely on the right road right now. Now there may be other roads that would be more beneficial to you, more abundant to you, more harmonious for you, but the road you're on right now is the road that you're supposed to be on, because there you are on it. And if you'd prefer to be on a different road, quote unquote different road, then it's very possible that you've got something to learn still on the road that you're on. Otherwise, why would you be on it? Right? So the fight that's going on that's saying I should be on a different road doesn't help you. I'm going to show you how to help yourself in a moment to get on the right road, right? But firstly, you must accept that I'm on the right road right now. I'm on the road that I'm supposed to be on right now, because I'm on it. And of course, that's always the case for the rest of your life, because you're always going to be on the road that you're on. So really the issue, the problem lays up here in our thinking. But look, to make sure that you really do get on the right road, which would be the most harmonious, the most abundant, the most fluent, the one where you meet the right people, where everything just flows, to get on that road, the one that is in alignment with your heart, has your purpose involved, enables you to feel good about yourself and excited that you're on that road. To get on that road, you've got to align the road that you're on right now with the present moment. What do I mean by that? So rather than looking at a plethora of different opportunities or choices of different roads that you could go on that will lead you down different paths in the future, you look at the road or the point that connects you with this road that you're on. So instead of looking forward, you're looking upwards and downwards and presently at where you're at. And so your attention is being brought into the present moment with where you're at. Now, when your attention is actually with you in the present moment, there's no need to be anywhere else, because your attention is exactly where life is, and you couldn't be anywhere else other than where you are. Again, that's always the case. He will argue the point and say, but you should be. But the thing is, you're always where you're at. So when you align your attention to this present moment wholeheartedly, you don't need to get anywhere else, because you're with where you are, and you won't be any other place until you are. And then if you keep your attention on the moment, you'll always be where you're supposed to be. Now, what that actually does, it starts to harmonize life for you. The authentic you is able to come forward, because there's no pressure inside to be something else. So everything starts to drop into balance the more you bring your attention in alignment with the road that you're actually on right now. Everything drops into place, an expansion happens, and then the road that is in harmony with you, that will bring you your abundance and your joy, opens up in front of you. But only one step, right? Just one step. And then when you're at that next step, you bring your attention to the moment again, and you stay there. And the steps will reveal themselves to you, and he will protest at times, saying, no, you should be blah, 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 or you should be, or you blah, blah, blah. He'll have this argument going on all the time. But you keep looking at the truth. The truth is where your feet are. Right? So when you align your attention with where your feet are, which is the truth, right? You can't deny it. Wherever your feet are, that's where you are. Now, he'll say you should be somewhere else, but your feet are saying, no, we're here. Why should we be somewhere else when our feet, when our entire presence is here? right? So when you bring yourself to where you actually are, the next step opens. And the next step might be more of what you're on, more of the same road. And you might stay on the same road, but if you're present, what you need to learn on this present road will be given to you. It'll be easy for you to see it because there's less conflict inside because you're with where you're at. You're saying, okay, I'm here. It's the truth. So let me be here. And then the road that is the right road for you will present itself to you. Have an absolutely fantastic day when you watch this. I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thank you so much.